Hello there, welcome to Wombat Coaching. Are you ready to dive deep into the world of Kindle Direct Publishing and unlock your full potential as an author? In today's video, I'll explore the importance of mindset. Stick around as I share practical tips and reveal the secrets to success in the KDP world. So, let's get started. The power of mindset. Your mindset plays a crucial role in your success as a KDP author. A positive, growth-orientated mindset allows you to learn from your experiences, adapt to changes, and stay motivated throughout your journey. There are 3 key mindset shifts you need to make for KDP success. Number 1, embrace the learning process. Understand that becoming a successful KDP author takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and embrace the learning process. Number 2, set realistic goals. Write them down. Set achievable, measurable goals for your KDP journey. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Number 3, celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your small wins along the way. This will boost your confidence and keep you motivated. So how do we overcome mindset challenges? Many authors face mindset challenges when starting their KDP journey. So let's look at 3 common challenges and how to overcome them. Number 1, the fear of failure. Remember that failure is a natural part of the learning process. Embrace it, learn from it, and use it to grow as an author. Number 2, perfectionism. Don't let perfectionism hold you back. Focus on progress, not perfection, and be willing to repeat and improve your work. You only have to improve each time by 1%. Number 3, imposter syndrome. Believe in your abilities and recognize your accomplishments. Surround yourself with supportive people and remind yourself of your successes. Practical tips for mastering your mindset. Now that I've discussed the importance of mindset and how to overcome common challenges, I'll dive into some practical tips for mastering your mindset for KDP success. Number 1, develop a daily routine. Establish a consistent daily routine that includes time for writing, learning, and self-care. This will help you stay focused and productive. I provided a daily mindset PDF for you to download in the description below. Number 2, practice gratitude. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude by regularly reflecting on the things you're grateful for. This will help you maintain a positive mindset. Number 3, seek feedback. Actively seek feedback from readers, fellow authors, and mentors. Use this feedback to improve your work and grow as an author. Number 4, stay inspired. Regularly consume content that inspires and motivates you, such as books, podcasts, and videos. This will help you stay energized and passionate about your KDP journey. Number 5, network with other authors. Connect with other KDP authors to share experiences, learn from each other, and support one another. You can do this by joining KDP Facebook groups and forums. Now remember this quote by Walt Disney: "The difference in winning and losing is most often not quitting." Mastering your mindset is the key to unlocking your full potential as a KDP author. By embracing the learning process, setting realistic goals, celebrating small wins, overcoming common challenges, and following my practical tips, you'll be well on your way to KDP success. So start mastering your mindset today and watch your KDP journey soar. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and insights on earning online.